Hello, today I'm going to be doing the most epic mob battle ever because guess what I have? An arena. And guess who's fighting? The three-headed dog. Or the Cerberus or whatever. So basically we have him against the reinforced little ogre, the orc tank, the mutant snuggle, the normal ogre, the Wendigo, the mutant enderman, the reinforced ogre, the mutant enderman EX. And if he can beat that, we have the water god, which he definitely can't beat. Ooh, I forgot to put down the level. So I've also made a new thing.
Killed Sabero.
Which is just that, and then we go.
Killed entity mythological creatures. Sabero death name.
Okay. So let's have the reinforced little ogre versus Sabero. Okay. And okay. And the reinforced little ogre died. Let's have 6 little reinforced little ogres against Sabero. Okay, this dude's very big, and I literally made this arena pretty quickly. Comment down below if you think it looks nice. So he took a little bit of damage. To be fair, we don't even need to heal him up. So let's spawn in the orc tank. Do they not fight? Okay, mutant snuggle. Oh, they fight though. Oh, come on. Okay, I don't need to do that.
Killed orc tank entity Rex mutant snargalum name Sabero. Killed golden chestplate snowball golden boots gold ingot golden helmet golden boots gold nugget golden helmet golden pickaxe entity mythological creatures Sabero death name golden hoe. Killed entity mythological creatures Sabero death name.
Okay, so we have this dude doesn't fight, which is kind of good, otherwise we would have way too many mobs for Sabero to be fighting. Okay, the mutant Snoggolemy, the normal mutant Snoggolemy versus the Sabero. This one might actually be a close battle. Actually, no, he's doing way too much damage. Okay, the mutant Snoggolem's at dead, nearly dead. He's probably at about like 10. One more hit. Two more. One. Okay, he's dead. Also, I love.
Killed Sabero. Snowball.
This dies. And then he dies.
Killed Experience Sword. 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 Experience Sword.
Let's just turn him off because he's starting to get annoying. So I think that by the time I turn him off, you cannot like and subscribe again. Where is he? Oh, it's in audio, right? Nope, text speech is 0, 0, 0. Yeah, okay, he's at 0. Right, now like that. Yay. Okay, we have Sabero versus the normal ogre, not the reinforced ogre. I've actually never used the normal ogre. I always use the reinforced ogre. Cat. I'm gonna watch the epic battles. I'm just gonna play around with my headphones. You cannot do that. Oh look, the Sabero one. Okay, well, I killed it. There. Okay. So now we have to go. Oh, I know, because we're in the Wendigo. So I was going to do a battle with the Wendigo, but thing is, it didn't fight half of the mobs. So I'm just gonna fight him against Sabero. They're from the same mod, so they might be a little bit more balanced. Or summoning children, or Wendigo's losing. They're spawning in more Okay, these will actually do a lot of damage to help the Wendigo. Wendigos are almost out of health, so let's see. He's even attacking the minions at 20,000. Sabero, when you beat the big Wendigo, you have to defeat the minions as well to win. I actually wish that the minions had a spawner, because then I could even mid the rest of the reinforcements. Because they're after about the same. Okay, the Wendigo is nearly dead. Attack. The Wendigo. All of the little mini ones aren't even doing anything. Okay, the Wendigo is dead. In no, 2 minutes. Okay, yeah, dead. Okay, now he's attacking with the mini ones. Okay, if they actually finish off the Severo, if they get, I think I'm gonna be surprised if they get him underneath half health. They aren't even doing damage. Come on, attack! Oh my god, you can't miss a punch. Move, I can't flip this switch. Are you dead? You dead? Yep. Okay. Now the next one, this one, I need to go outside. Oh, and it's nighttime and raining. Great. Time, day, weather, clear. Okay. So we have this bear. I nearly called him a sombrero. Okay, so you have the sombrero versus the mutant enderman. Okay, to make them fight, I need to get the exactly. You just go right next to me. Okay. Don't. You. Oh my god. Oh wait, no. Just go back into the arena. So the mutant enderman teleports outside of the arena, so we can't use him inside the arena. Because then he'll just teleport out. And I don't think I need to actually. Okay. Oh, both of them die at the same time. That's cool. Okay. Now. We have the mutant enderman and the sombrero. Okay, attack. Are you attacking, right? Okay, but let the battle begin. Okay. Oh my god! He does so much damage. When he was fighting little ones, I thought he just did a lot of damage because they didn't have that much health. But this dude has 200 health, the recent enderman, and he does a lot of damage. And he like does loads of damage to him. Oh, he's screaming. He said, "I have nausea, dumb nausea." Isn't that bad though? The mutant enderman is screaming. Normally, well, actually, Popular Emmos does this, but when the mutant enderman screams in Popular Emmos videos, he normally wins. That never happens. Whenever a mutant enderman screams, that normally means that he's losing when I'm doing it. Okay. Okay, and okay, yeah, mutant enderman. Ooh, ready. Is mutant enderman weaker than the Wendigo? Oh my god, that was a slaughter. Okay, well. Look. Okay, time to die. Where is he? Is he dead? Is he like. Yeah, he is non existent. Nope, and I killed a lot of experience orbs. Okay. Reinforced. This one's way cooler than the other one. And then we have the sombrero. Okay. Oh my goodness, he actually isn't doing that much damage. Do that attack. Do that attack and you're gonna win, because that's what you do with mutant. When he only does one head, it barely does any damage. Why aren't you attacking? Oh my god. This one isn't attacking. Okay. Oh my! Is he dead already? Oh no. Stop cornering me. Wait, is he dead? He died. No, he isn't dead fully, I'm guessing. Gonna get back up, get back up, get back up. Okay, Sombrero is very strong. Oh, and he is dead. And he didn't even get the Sombrero. The Wendigo, you know, the weakest one, the Wendigo, is actually the strongest one. That's crazy so far. And the Wendigo's the third, the weakest one. Okay, we now have the Mutant Enderman EX. Okay, we go. Mutant Enderman EX has laser eyes and does loads of damage. This is actually going to be a close battle. He destroyed the normal one, so this is going to be really close. Do your triple attack. Yeah, do that one. And then you're going to win every single round if you just do that attack. He has only 2 attacks. Mutant Enderman has like 10 attacks. Okay, good. He didn't ruin the arena, but he ruined next to the arena. What are you doing? You're just exploding everything. Okay, the Sombrero is actually losing. So I don't think we're gonna have to go against the Water God. But even if he does lose, then I'm still putting him against the Water God. So don't fling around my arena, please. Actually, I think he can only fling around grass, which is good. Okay, it's good that it's on the explosion zone. Okay, Sombrero is below half for the first time. Mutant Enemy X is taking about a quarter of damage. Maybe even less. More like a fifth of damage. And the Sombrero has taken about 3/5 of damage. Or, no, more about 4/6. Oh, wait, no, 4/6. Yeah, 4/6. No, you're breaking the arenas. No. You're breaking the top of the arena. Okay, look, where are you at? Where are you at? You aren't. Just do your triple attack, Sombrero. Yes, you see how much damage that does? Do that more. I feel like when he's at low health, he should do the triple attack more, which I think he's doing, right? Okay, what are you doing? Ah, you gave me nausea. I hate the Mutant Enemy EX. And even if you guys plead to make me fight him, I probably will, and I will die in 2 seconds. You know what, at the end, if this video gets 10 likes, which it normally does, I'm gonna fight the Sombrero. The Sombrero, the 3-headed dog. The 3-headed... What's that, Hades' guardian. Okay, what's news been at? Okay, I know he wasn't at full health, but because he regenerated really quickly. But the Mutant Enderman was probably at like, you know, he might have regenerated like because of. Okay, so the Sombrero barely did any damage. Now this is gonna crash my game. This is gonna crash my game. So I think it will crash my game if I put the Sombrero there and the Water God. Okay, Sombrero's dead. Oh my god. Oh my god, you don't need to... Ah! Stop crashing my game, he's dead. Okay, let's have just one more. A dead dead. Oh my god. Yep, it's crashing my game. Ah! Please don't. Please don't. Okay, just don't spawn in any more sombreros. Okay, now I can just / kill water god. Okay, there. But everyone knows. So the sombrero is really strong, but everyone knows that the strongest thing. Oh, the sombrero's really strong, but the mutant enderman EX and the water god were way too strong for him. So, but everyone knows that the strongest thing is / Is my arena now a cave because it's got like iron and gold and stuff in it? Wow. So, this is the end of the video. It was really fun, but just to end off the video, and I'll get rid of the water god for this, I would have one of every single mob fighting. Go. Just attack, 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 and... Okay, there. So, this is gonna be the last battle. It's a war. Oh my goodness, who is that? Okay, who's winning? Who's winning? The mutant Snuggolem's about to die. What's the mutant? Okay, Wendigo. Sombrero's winning. Okay, mutant Snuggolem's dead. Oh, and the mutant Enderman EX. Oh, they're fighting. You know, this was a bad idea. They're destroying the arena. Oh no, that was just the door. Okay. Okay, the normal ogre is dead. So it looks like we only have... Okay, so the normal mutant enderman is just looking at the sombrero. Oh, now I feel like the enderman is dead. Okay, he's dead. Is he dead for good though? Yeah, he's dead for good. He's gonna get back up. Even though he's just getting teleported. He's getting up in the air. Okay, what's the sombrero at? Okay, this is the sombrero. He's actually being beaten by the mutant. Oh my god. Okay, let's just set it today. Okay, then. Okay, the reinforced ogre is dead. The mutant enderman EX is far from dead. And the Wendigo is also like about to be dead. What happened to this sleeping dude? I'm just gonna spawn another one. Ah! If he wins, oh my god. Oh, he just got killed by one of the mutant enderman special attacks, and he wasn't even attacking. I was not prepared with milk. Okay, no, I was prepared. Oh, Sombrero's defeating the mutant enderman. Okay, Wendigo's dead. Okay, it's a 2-on-1. Mutant enemy X versus the Sombrero. Okay, this is just this battle all over again, and we know who wins this. So, I'm guessing the video would end here right now. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. Goodbye. Oh my god, slow move. Ah! Stop lasering me. Okay, goodbye. Make sure to subscribe.